Hi, this is Physio Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make your Twitter account private. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. While celebrities and business use their Twitter account to promote their project and products, the social media website is often more about everyday users sharing the news we care about and the detail of our day-to-day life. While many people might not care who sees the messages they post, some will prefer to keep their thought and random conversation private. Thankfully, Twitter, making your Twitter account private is very simple, and I will show you how to do it. So first of all, we have to open our Twitter. Now you can just go to settings by tap on the up left corner on your profile here. You can go to settings by tap on setting and support and here. Tap on settings and privacy. Now you can tap on security and account access. Sorry, you can go to privacy and safety. Now you can tap on audience and tagging. There is an option protect your post. Only current followers and people you've approved in the video will be able to see your post. You can just enable. Tap on that. Can go back. And now let's see. Let's check your profile. As you can see on your profile, there's like a lock icon on there. It means your account is on private. It's so simple, right? So that is how to make your Twitter account private. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.